Well, this is Turbo Developments. We're going to show you how to use the ATD-1 actuator tester. We've got several different turbos here. We'll just show you basic functions and how to control the actuators a bit and test them as well. So first of all, you want a main supply to the unit. Turn the controller on, keep your finger on the button for a few seconds. It will come up with a list. You've got actuator testing, actuator list, settings, update and others. And what you want first of all is to go to actuator testing. So you want to press the tick here. That takes you into that mode and it gives you several different functions here for different turbos of different manufacturers. First one we're going to do is a Mercedes. So we select that. Again, tick button. You want to connect the plug to the turbo. Connect the power, which is the red button here, and then what you can do from there on is press the up and down buttons and you can control how the actuator functions. And basically what you do here, you've got a start position, so you've got it at 1% here, and that's basically where the actuator starts its position there, and you can control it backwards and forwards from there. Okay, this is a Mondeo or a Jaguar turbo, so it's a Ford manufacturer. What we need to do now is go out of this menu for the Mercedes and just press the X button to go back twice. Select the Ford function and it will take you into the same setting again as it did with the Mercedes. Connect the box to the plug, power button again, and what it will do exactly the same again. You'll see it go to its start position there. And you can control it backwards and forwards again. And as you go backwards and forwards, it will give you a position of where the arm is, and if there's any restriction in the variable vane setup, it will tell you how much effort is going into the arm as well. So basically a load function on the actuator itself. Right, this is the Mitsubishi BMW. These are a little bit different from the normal Garrett ones because they have an adjustable arm on them. So all you want to do is just connect it like normal again. But on the back of these, when you're setting these up, you'll notice there's an adjustable screw. And what you want to do is set it correctly, because if it's not set, it just won't work basically. So you want the start position again, but you want to adjust the screw so you've got the correct start position on the actuator, and you'll know where you've got the start position because the tester will start beeping and it will let you know if it's correct or not. And it's just basically the same function. Move it backwards and forwards and you can set the actuator correctly. Need a different plug for this one. This is the KKK Borg Warner turbo. So just disconnect the Garrett style plug from the ATD-1. And then just go back into the normal menu again and choose the Audi KKK BV50 setting, select it. And it's the same function again. These have got adjustable screws for the mounting bracket, so just connect the power and you can set the variable vane in the actuator again. And I'll show you the arm function, how it moves. And that's basic functions of the ATD-1.